Hey guys, welcome back to Shubham's Cookbook and DIY, and in today's video I'm going to share with you one pot instant sambar recipe. Very quick and authentic in taste and definitely less work it takes. So let's get started, and if you like the video, please do hit the like button, share this recipe with others, and also press the bell icon after you subscribe this channel to get regular updates. So here I am taking 3/4 cup of tur dal. I have soaked it for around 30 minutes and then washed it with 2-3 waters. Remember, soaking is important part of this recipe. And in vegetables I am taking chopped tomato, onion, brinjal or eggplant, and bottle gourd, and 3-4 cloves of garlic that is also roughly chopped. In spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. So I'm going to put everything together in the pressure cooker along with some water, and the proportion of the tur dal and water has to be around 1:3. It means 1 cup of soaked tur dal, then 3 cups of water. So put everything together, around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste. You can always add your choices of vegetables, like sometimes I add some carrot or drumstick or pumpkin also into it, but depends what vegetables I have in my refrigerator. I go with that. So with these vegetables also sambar becomes very yummy. Now I'll put the lid on and let it cook until 2 whistles on the medium flame, and initially I'll keep it on high flame for around 5 to 6 minutes. For tadka we need ghee or clarified butter around 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, few curry leaves, red chilies. I'm taking 2, you can adjust to your taste, and little bit of mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of sambar masala powder. This is my homemade sambar masala powder, and finely chopped cilantro. So after 2 whistles I switched the gas off, and then I just allowed to release all the pressure automatically. And now look at it, all the vegetables are in the chunks on the top and dal is fully cooked. This is how we want our sambar texture to be, right? So let's start tempering. I'm going to add oil first, and then I'll add ghee, and once ghee and oil mixture will be little hot, I'll add this mustard seed. Once mustard seed start crackling, add red chilies and curry leaves too, and then add sambar masala powder and let it cook for 30 to 40 seconds and keep stirring. At this point keep the flame on the low, and then add tamarind pulp and let it cook for additional 2 minutes, and then pour it into the sambar, and then let the sambar come to another boil, and it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes, so that the tempering and the sambar will mix together very well. And add cilantro also at this point of time. After one boil comes, just switch off the gas and serve it hot with any kind of dosa, uttappam, plain rice or with idli. Choice is yours. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe this channel to get all the notifications. And now all the videos are in Hindi and in English too. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.